smells amazing.
Oh, them giant turkey legs. We gonna smoke them something up. Put a little olive oil on there as a binder. My new favorite. My own Caribbean rub. I just be freestyling it. A little Lorry's on there. What we got, mama?
Turkey legs.
Big and juicy.
Hey. Look at that.
Going on up in here.
Yeah. Look at that.
Spread these out. Look at that. They gonna have their own lane. Check on them about 2 hours. We ain't gonna touch it. We just gonna
Let it ride.
let it ride. Them looking quite beautiful. Brontosaurus turkey legs. Y'all remember the Flintstones? Yeah, baby. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take these off, wrap. These are looking super good. Yeah. We're gonna take these turkey legs off. Yeah. Look at that juice coming up off there. I'm gonna wrap these too. We're getting everything smoky and tender. Grass-fed butter. Tight wrap. Back on the smoker. Turkey leg number 2. Hey baby, that's the festival turkey leg.
Yeah.
Go ahead and relax. Hey, let's take these turkey legs off. Man, woo!
That look tender.
Ooh, these are so tender. Yeah, just how soft that is. Oh my God.
That is pretty. That's gonna fall off the bone.
You had about an hour rest? This is all about time. Take time. Got these big boys ready. Try to show how I got chef hands. We.
It's hot. It's hot and it smells amazing.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look how easy that comes out. Look at this. I'm barely touching it. Falling right out. So juicy. Look how juicy it is. Oh, man. But there you go. This is how it came out. 2 hours smoke. Wrapped it in foil. 2.5 hours. Damn. Tender love. Giant, juicy turkey legs. Yeah. Thank you for visiting Darryl King Barbecue. We appreciate your time. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have an awesome day. See you again soon.